What up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I'm right here at a regional park. I don't even know where I'm at. Somewhere in Riverside. I'm gonna go check it out right now. Look, they got those little cabins right there. You can rent them out. Look at those other cabins. Here's one of them. Some other one. Alright guys, parked on this side and walk towards the lake. They got all the sprinklers on, look at that. Let me close it. What happened?
You coming this?
Holy shit. Sprinklers coming this way. Alright, we're gonna walk through the sprinklers, man. Gotta dodge them, look, they're everywhere. Oh. Alright guys, we're here right next to the lake. They got the fishes. They got the campsite over there. I'm gonna go all around that way right now. Go all around. Look at that. What are you doing? Look at the dog over there, he's looking at you. See the dog? What is it, a little swamp? Look at that. Is there fishes in there? What is that noise? Look at that. You can see all the fishes? A lot of small fishes. There ain't no snakes here, man. Yo, Chad, what is this? Spider webs or cotton?
I think that's poison ivy. Yeah? That right there.
Alright guys, we're on this side of the lake. This is a different lake right here. A little swamp. Oh yeah, I can walk through here. See all the little fishes? Just walk through this little trail. I hear a rooster over here. Look at the duck. Alright guys, we're on this side of the lake. Oh, I see the ducks. What is this? Fucking coyote, we're gonna come out through here. Damn, look at this. Look, I think the guy got a fish over there. Let's see. See. Yep, we got a fish. Is it? That's not a fish. I don't know, what is that? Look at that, guys. What is that? There's a sign right there. Subscribe to me. That's a sign. Look at that, that came out of the water. Oh. Saw that? Chad, what is that? Look. Why is it pure bubbles? We're in the off-road road right here. Trying to get to the river. On the Scion. we don't get stuck, man. Look at this, guys. The water park. Let's walk to this side. Good logs. Look at this, guys. They even got a mini golf. They got the mini golf. Play right here. Let's go in here. Oh yeah, it's fresh right here. Look at that. More water. Look at that little lizard. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all.